Ingredients. Makes about 12 croissants. 500 grams, 4 cups, all-purpose flour. 10 grams, 2 teaspoons, salt. 50 grams, 1/4 cup, sugar. 10 grams, 2 teaspoons, instant yeast. 300 milliliters, 1 1/4 cup, cold whole milk. 250 grams, 1 cup, cold unsalted butter. 1 egg, for egg wash. Prepare the dough. Mix the flour, salt, sugar and yeast in a large bowl. Add the cold milk and mix until a dough forms. Knead for about 5 minutes until smooth. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. Prepare the butter block. Place the cold butter between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Use a rolling pin to flatten it into a square about 15 by 15 centimeters, 6 by 6 inches. Chill in the fridge. Incorporate the butter. Roll the dough into a rectangle, 30 by 20 centimeters or 12 by 8 inches. Place the butter block on one half of the dough, then fold the other half over it, sealing the edges. Laminate the dough. Roll the dough into a long rectangle, then fold it into thirds, like a letter. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Repeat this process 2 more times, chilling the dough between folds. Proof. Cover the croissants with a clean cloth and let them rise at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours, or until doubled in size. Shape the croissants. Roll the dough into a large rectangle, 40 by 30 centimeters or 16 by 12 inches, and cut into triangles. Roll each triangle tightly from the base to the tip to form a croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet, tip side down. Bake. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the croissants with beaten egg. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Cool before serving. Serve with hot chocolate and enjoy! Want to know how to make hot chocolate? Stay tuned for the video. Bye!